Hello you guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Manisha Fashionista, and if you are new to my channel, I am Manisha. This video is all about a shopping haul I have purchased online from purplle.com and from Smitten. So I have clubbed both the shopping haul together and I am going to show you what all products I have purchased. And I'm really excited to show you all the products because I'll be using few products first time. I'm really excited to start using all these products. For more details, let's get into the video. And if you are new here, please don't forget to consider subscribing my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And don't forget, if you are a reader, I also write blogs. Please go and visit my blog website. All the links are in description, and you can follow me on Instagram. I always post stories and I always post stuff which we can get connected more and more on Instagram. So please go and follow me on Instagram, Manisha Fashionista. And don't forget, giveaway is still running, so go and check my monthly favorite and giveaway video. I'll link in the I button, and also I'll put the link in the description box. So please do check and please participate. Hope you win. So let's start the shopping haul. As you know, purplle.com always run with offers and discounts, so I felt this is the best opportunity to grab this shopping deal. So I went and purchased online and few things which I will be using first time. So I'll show you the products. With this, I've also shopped from Smitten, few trial products from there, so I'll show you that as well. So let's start with the first box, that is from Purplle. So this is the box. I have not yet opened, so I'm going to open and unbox in front of you guys. So I have a scissor with me. So these are the products. So these are few products from purplle.com. मैंने ज़्यादा purchasing नहीं की है, जो मुझे ज़रूरत थी and I have not used and I really need for my daily routine. So I have purchased that, nothing much, but I'm really excited to show you because इनमें से कुछ products है जो मैं first time use करने वाली हूँ. So let me show you the first product is shampoo from Wow Skin Sign, which is red onion seed oil extract, black seed oil and pro vitamin B5, no paraben, no sulfate and silicone. So मैं ये पहली बार यूज करने वाली हूँ and इसके साथ I have purchased a conditioner which is for hair loss control therapy. So ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट मैं फर्स्ट टाइम यूज करने वाली हूँ. वाओ के प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने नहीं यूज किया है. So this will be my first experience with Wow hair care range. I'm really looking forward to use this product. इसकी प्राइजेस यहाँ पर, so shampoo is of 300 ml and the conditioner is about 300 ml. So both the products price range is $499, but in deal I got for one bottle costed me around 250 rupees. So 250, 500 में shampoo and conditioner. Yay! So because I know Wow and few products are pricey, but I felt this was a good deal, so I purchased for me. I was looking forward to use some hair wash or something like that, so I felt let's try with Wow shampoo and hair care range. So next product is from Aroma Magic, which is 3-in-1 Plum Blossom body wash, and I was looking forward for a change for a body wash. I've been using Nivea, Dove, I've been using different kind of other body washes, and I have also used Sage Therapy body wash. So I was looking for something else, some change for my body wash, so I felt I'll try this one. So bottle quantity is 220 ml and MRP is 205. So let me check and tell you how much it costed me when I got it from purplle.com. So it costed me 144 for this bottle, as MRP is 205 and it costed me 144. So it's quite a nice deal. The next product is Faces Canada Magnet Ice Kajal 24 hour stay, smudge and water resistant, deep black finish, fade proof and vitamin E enriched. So the MRP of this product is 179. So I lost one of my kajal, so I felt to get a new kajal for me. So I have few things from Faces Canada, so I felt let's try kajal from Faces Canada. So the next product is Nude Kajal from Wet n Wild, and the price is 195. I don't have any nude pencil, kajal pencil, so I thought let me try one. मैंने जो भी चीजें ऑर्डर की हैं वो बहुत ही essential है right now in my vanity, जो मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So I went and shopped for that products, not ऐसे ही शॉपिंग नहीं कर लिया. I just wanted practical things जो मुझे भी जरूरत है, so I just purchased that. ऐसे तो I have lot of lipstick collection, but फिर भी देख के I get tempted towards lipstick, so purchased Stay Quirky liquid lipstick, and this is a beautiful shade, guys. So the shade name is I Woke Up Like This 3. So this is family color from Nude, I guess. I'll definitely try this. I'll swatch out and just show you. So this is the shade. I think if I'll bring near camera, maybe you can see. So this is a cute little lipstick, very travel friendly and very nice, and the color is really amazing and beautiful. I love to apply this lipstick soon. So these were products from Purplle. I have not ordered a lot of products. These are few products which are essential for me right now. So the next batch of products are from Smitten. So I have ordered a few products from Smitten which I want to try. So let me show you what all I have purchased from Smitten as well. So here are some of the products from Smitten. I have purchased 5 products and I got 1 product free, so it's 6, and with that also I got 1 product free, so altogether there are 7 products, steeled in 199. So let me show you what I have got. So the first product is Plum Simply Cleansing Balm. So this is makeup remover cleansing balm. So I have never tried a cleansing balm. I do have oils, I have micellar water, so I wanted to try this one, so I went with this product. The next product is from Plum. This is sunscreen lotion SPF 35. So मैं first time शायद से Plum के products use करने वाली हूँ, so I'll definitely share the review. So this is the trial version from Plum sunscreen lotion. So the next product from Plum is a hair mask, which is Mega Hair Moisturizing Hair Mask, chemically treated hair, for chemically treated hair. So I'm really excited to use this hair mask as well. With that I got free product, which is face wash. With that I got a free product 3-in-1 mud mask. So both are from Sage Apothecary, face wash and mud mask. I've already started using face wash because I have ordered in previous batch as well. Really looking forward to use again this Smitten products, and I'll definitely share a review with you all. So that's all products I have ordered to show you all. I'll definitely share reviews if I'll start using all the products. So यही सारे products हैं जो मुझे आपको दिखाना था इस छोटे से Smitten और Purplle haul में, and I'm really excited and looking forward to use all this product. बिकॉज मैं कुछ प्रोडक्ट फर्स्ट टाइम यूज करने वाली हूँ एंड आई वांट टू सी हाउ डज इट वर्क्स. अगर इनमें से कुछ प्रोडक्ट आपने पहले यूज किया है तो प्लीज कमेंट डाउन एंड लेट मी नो योर एक्सपीरियंस, एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली शेयर माय एक्सपीरियंस एंड यू विल नो व्हाट वाज माय एक्सपीरियंस विद दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. सो please keep watching my videos, guys, and thank you for all the love, and please follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and please don't forget to visit my website too, and please comment down if you want to see more videos and more hauls or any topic which you haven't seen on YouTube, so maybe I can cover that as well on my channel. And I'm looking forward for challenges. I will try my best to give you great content on my channel, and I want you all to connect with you all. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Until I see you next time.